Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, Anthony here. I'm looking at gold here on the on a 5-minute chart. What I'll do, I'll just quickly go out and I'll show you what I've got marked up and give you my take on this. Let's just go to the monthly. Clearly bearish. And if we look back, have a look here, touch in through this level as well. You can see closed here, opened here, wicked down into it here, got a touch right on current level. So we have a key monthly level of support right here, bearish trend. Let's go to the weekly. Weekly open, traded up early in the week, okay, stop run. Smart money is looking to short it, so they attack liquidity above, trades down. We get our weekly bearish trend here. So my bias is definitely bearish. We can see clearly on the weekly this is a bearish market. It is trading into, if you have a look at this red candle here, this is a weekly order block prior to this move. Right, we're right in there. And if you have a look back, look at this. And especially back in here, multiple touches right on the level. All right, so we are at a big level of support right here. Down to the daily. Now on the daily time frame, my bias is bearish again, right? So the higher time frame is confirming a bearish bias. Trading down, we can see on the daily, touch here, and if we go back, I think, look at it. So this is important, this level here. It's significant. This is trading into a key level, and we could see what I'm expecting, or what I'm thinking, is a possibility that we see this pull back up. I mean, it's already traded down to it, a big retrace, back down, you know, having another go at it. We haven't broken this previous low, right? So we're trading above. We've got on the 4H, we've got a couple of things. The market is looking for two things. It's looking for one, liquidity. And where is their liquidity? It's resting all through here and above here. Buy side liquidity. Retail is short. Stop losses are resting above. So the market, if they're wanting to sell, well, the market's bearish on the higher time frame, then they need to reach in. Well, they've already done that here, but also this is where they can load up again. We've extended out. A pullback kind of makes sense to me right here. Now we've got a price gap. This 4 hour, I'm looking at this candle, looking left candle low and right candle high. So I've just marked up that. Market needs to rebalance, right? So it looks for liquidity and it looks to rebalance. There's an imbalance right here. All right, so a trade back through here to rebalance makes a lot of sense. And we go down to the hourly chart. We have a 1 hour price gap, thin candle, look left candle high, and where it traded up to here. So we have this imbalance here on the hourly. If we grab a fib, pull it down from this high down to the low, kind of makes sense. A retrace back into 61.8, there's a 78.6, but my yellow zone here, that coincides with, right, the market rebalancing, well, looking to rebalance. Okay, so do we get a reach back? See this green candle, bearish order block through here. Oh, I've actually got it marked up. This green candle here, distribution, level, zone, whatever you want to call it, and a price gap directly under. Right, so I think the market comes back to fill that. Starting to see a little bit of a bullish move here. Be careful. All right, go down to, oh, by the way, guys, join my Discord. The link is below. It's free and we have a lot of fun in there. Down to the 15-minute, what are we, the 1 hour? Okay, down to a 15. And what I've done here is I've just marked up this range. And what's of interest to me is the fact that we have these relative equal lows and a build-up of liquidity under. Here's our weekly, daily, and a monthly combo down here. Support zone, liquidity pool resting under. So it ranges through here and it's building sell-side liquidity, dips into it, And now, are we starting to see higher highs, higher lows setting up here for a run back, reaching into these levels to rebalance? So that's my take on this. And I mean, what else can I say? I personally not looking to counter trend trade this. My bias is definitely short. I think if we see this, break and tap into these levels up here, then that could be. I'd be looking then for the market to, give me a bit of a topping setup in here, something like that, and an opportunity to short it again. All right, now be careful. This is not for the faint-hearted. Gold is incredibly volatile, and it's a tough one to trade. Now, if you want to get aggressive, go down to we go down to I don't know, where are we? Okay, we're thinking that we might see a retrace. So if you're looking to scalp this or day trade it, what we do have here is, in fact, I'll just pull it down. We get this range, and then we start to see the volatility after the range. Okay, so it's ranging here. It spikes up, it spikes down. So it's what it's doing. It's breaking the range here, attacking liquidity both sides, and then we get this dip down in here. My question, given that we're above this low, is that our trigger for a run north? At the moment, I think, look, for me to get involved, if I was going to get involved with this, we've got, okay, got these highs back through here. Let's pull that through, okay. Let's see if we get a break and retest of that. That could be a thing. It's not an easy trade, guys. You've got these levels here, then a break and retest of this level. But I mean, this is my target up in here. How aggressive do you want to get? This could trade in either direction. Do we get that? Break and retest of this one, and then we've got this through here, and then we've got this gap to trade through. Seriously, if we get above here, then that could be a cue looking to reach up into this order block. Okay? But be careful, just wait for the setup. Let's just see if we see higher highs, higher lows. At the moment, it's not giving it to us. Gold. I traded gold. I actually traded gold for a living. Three years ago. It was the only thing I traded, and man, it was a wild ride. It's not for the faint-hearted. But I moved away and got back into Forex, and it's my main thing now. But anyway, I'm rambling on. Guys, watch out for this, okay? It could head south. It could break these lows and down we go. I mean, but at some stage, you want to consider that this is still sitting here unresolved, this price gap. Rightio, that's it. Join Discord, link below. I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.